Now I've got the hiccups.
Muesli, what's wrong?
I've got the hiccups, Woof.
Oh no, hiccups are very serious. You have a lot of hiccups.
Yeah, I've got a lot of hiccups.
Well, if you hold your breath and count to 12, then the hiccups should go away.
Hold my breath and count to 12?
Yes, we will need your help, children.
Yeah. Help me out by counting to 12. I'll hold on. I'll hold my breath.
Yes, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
My hiccups are gone. My hiccups are gone. Yeah. Thanks, Woof. Thanks a lot.
No problem, Muesli. If you get the hiccups, try holding your breath and counting to 12.
All right, everybody. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.